Hello everyone. Today we're showcasing our fully automatic elbow forming machine. Let's walk you through its core mechanical components one by one. The first up is the lifting automatic feeding mechanism. Next is the integrated automatic tube bending unit. Then we have the fully automatic tube end flaring and sizing mechanism, followed by the automatic tube cutting assembly. The entire production workflow is centrally controlled by the PLC system to run fully automatically from raw tube feeding to finished piece output. We can accommodate various workpiece specifications simply by swapping out customized forming dies. Only one single operator is required to run the whole production cycle and produce finished elbows, which drastically cuts down labor expenses. This all-in-one unit replaces multiple standalone conventional machines, effectively saving substantial factory floor space. Thanks to its high integration and cost-saving advantages, this elbow forming machine has won wide recognition and high praise from clients worldwide. Right now, we will demonstrate the full-cycle automatic running action of this equipment.